Good morning, students. Today we will continue our chapter Employment. We will discuss types of workers. Workers are of two types, self-employed and hired workers. Who are self-employed workers? The workers who own and operate an enterprise to earn their livelihood are known as self-employed. For example, a farmer working on his own farm. This category accounts for more than 50% of the workforce. Hired workers, those people who are hired by others and are paid wages or salaries as a reward for their services, are called hired workers. Types of hired workers: casual workers and regular salaried workers. Who are casual workers? Those people who are not hired by their employers on a regular basis and do not get social security benefits are said to be casual workers. For example, construction workers. Regular salaried workers. When a worker is engaged by someone or by an enterprise and paid his or her wages on a regular basis, they are known as regular salaried employees. For example, teachers, chartered accountants, etc. Self-employed and hired workers in India according to region. Urban workers, rural workers. We have divided into self-employed, casual wage laborers, regular salaried employees as we have discussed earlier. Yes, students, now we will take the example of self-employed. There are 38% in urban areas are self-employed, 62% hired workers. In rural area, there are 58% self-employed, 42% are hired in rural area. Yes, students, if we take casual wage laborers, there are 15% in urban area, 29% in rural areas. Casual workers are more in rural areas than the urban areas. Now, you can see regular salaried employees. Regular salaried employees 47% in urban area and there are only 13% in rural area. Why there is so difference? Because yes, friend, this question is very important. Self-employed and casual wage laborers are found more in rural area than in urban areas. Why? Because in urban areas, people are skilled and work for jobs in offices and factories. But in rural areas, people work on their own farms and self-employed. Self-employed and hired workers in India according to gender. Yes, students, you can see male members, female members. Among the male members, how much self-employed? 52%. Among female also. In both male and female, above 50% are self-employed. If we will take the example of casual wage laborers, 24% among male, 27% among female. Regular salaried employees, yes, students, 24% among male and 21% among female. We will discuss regular salaried employees. Males are more than the females. Yes, friends, now you can see self-employment is a major source of livelihood for both men and women. This category, as we have discussed, accounts for more than 50% of the workforce. Casual wage work is the second major source for both men and women, a little more so for the latter 24 to 27%. When it comes to regular salaried employment, Both women and men are found to be so engaged in greater proportion. Men form 24%, whereas women form 21%. Gap between men and women is very less.